guys, thanks for coming to check out another synthetic wig review. So this wig review is sponsored by Jumwigs. So this wig is their OBW12 and it is a really pretty ombre brown down to a really pretty ash blonde. This unit does come with 2 combs in the top, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. Now the lace was a little too light for my skin tone, so I did add some of my foundation underneath the lace. It does have a pretty dense hairline, but you could always go through and pluck some of that out. I decided not to do that. I decided just to lay my own baby hairs down and just blend the lace front into my own baby hairs. So I just went ahead and cut the lace off of the hairline, and then I'll go ahead and blend it with my baby hairs. This hair is really pretty. I love the hair color. My favorite thing about this hair is the hair color. The top is like this nice like ash brown, and then it just flows into all these beautiful shades of brown and blonde. I think that's definitely the highlight of this wig, as well as I really like how I ended up blending it with my hair. I think it looks really cute. Now I will say this wig is a little bit on the shiny side, so you can always go ahead and add your you could go ahead and add your dry shampoo to go ahead and take down some of the shine and give it a more natural luster. So I also went in and used a eyeshadow to just go ahead and blend the parting space out. It is about 3 inches of parting space, you guys. So if you didn't want to wear it as a middle part, you could always part it to the left or the right, and you do have about 3.5 inches or so to do that. So I really was loving how this hair was looking, but I did want to go ahead and comb it out and just brush it out a little bit. So I used my wide tooth comb. The ends of the hair were a little bit dry. I did end up spraying a little bit of leave-in conditioner on them to give them a little bit more shine and give them a little bit more manageability. So that is what I definitely suggest with this wig, just to give it that nice lustrous feel, because it was a little bit dry on the ends. So after I did that, you guys, I absolutely love the wig. I just kind of played around with it and made it my own. I love the color on this unit, you guys. The color is absolutely the highlight of this wig. It is beautiful. I love the soft beachy waves, and I love the length. This one is nice and long, you guys. So if you're looking for a nice, warm, ashy sort of tone of blonde wig for the fall, this one might be your go-to, you guys. With a little bit of tender loving care, this could be a really beautiful unit for you to have. I'll leave links down in the information bar down below if you want to check out this unit, or if you want to check out other wigs that Jumwigs has. I do have a coupon code for you guys if you decide to purchase. You can use the code Jess at checkout to save you some money. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.